now, another Allied Restoration Raving Fan video.
So a little bit about the day, really evening, I found out. I actually was in my room, and then I got up like maybe 10 o'clock in the evening to go use the restroom. And right when I got maybe 3-4 inches from my door, my foot was wet. So when I opened my bedroom door, the bathroom that actually flooded was to the right and across the hall. The water had come up both the tub and the toilet, but it was only overflowing from the toilet. So it came out of the bathroom, into the hallway, into my bedroom, into my laundry room that's in front of the bathroom, into a closet that was in front of the laundry room, and halfway into my dining room kitchen area through like random cracks on, because the floor is hardwood. So it was just finding all these ways. When Guillermo and Romeo came out, he handed me over. Guillermo was real, very easy to talk to. He explained everything, very good to me, very simple. Kind of basically was like, you guys would take good care of me, come out, do the work. I would meet with, I guess the person's like the superintendent. I guess that's who Ashley is, who's over the job, she's been absolutely wonderful. And everything kind of moved fast. She did inform me it may be some delays due to COVID, because by then it had kicked in. So just getting the parts may be, it may take a little few days delay, but you guys actually ended up finishing like a week ahead of the projected date, which was great, because by then I was like ready to come home. I had spent a month in 3 different rooms in a hotel into a rental house. I love Mercury. I actually have them for my car insurance too. They always take really good care of me. My homeowner's insurance, I was kind of worried because we've only actually had the house, maybe November was a year. So I'm like, this is like gonna be major work. I wasn't sure how much was gonna be covered. And then when I got the prices, what it was gonna cost, I was like really kind of nervous until I found out that I was just responsible for the deductible. But he responds very quickly, takes care of things. He made sure, they got my housing set up right away. They came right in, covered the hotel stay. They reimbursed me. They paid me for my damaged items, because I literally lost every pair of shoes I owned except for 1 pair of rain boots. I would give you guys about a 12. I don't have any complaints at all. My house looks amazing. The painters, the people who came here and worked were very pleasant when I did come through here. When they were here, everybody was really nice. So they would, when they would come and leave, they would, clean up after themselves. I could see them on my camera from the hotel. They would sweep up the porch, so they didn't just leave the house looking crazy. Like, oh, we're still working here, we'll be back. They would clean up every night before they would leave whatever was outside on the porch. And like I said, everybody was really nice whenever I had to come here. Everybody was very pleasant.